Welcome back to my channel. I am Elise, founder of Lettuce for Life, and today we are talking all things MSM. Yes, please like, share, and subscribe, and let's go ahead and hop into the video. So MSM, I have just recently been on the bandwagon of using MSM. I was never into all of that hair growth stuff, to be honest, but when I actually did my research on it and when I actually kind of did my own studying on it, I was like, I'm making it down with this. This may be the one thing that I say, like, okay, it may be one of those natural things that I incorporate into my hair care journey to where it may grow my hair. So how I came across MSM, how I did my research on MSM was, it was a YouTuber. Her name is Curly Proverbs. Amazing YouTuber. She's all natural. Like, she uses everything natural in her hair, Ayurvedic hair care. And she was talking about MSM, and she was just saying like how it made her hair grow, the benefits of MSM, and then also some side effects of MSM. And I was like, let me do my own research on it. So I've been studying it, and when I came back from my deployment in January, that's actually when I started using MSM. So I started January, and now I'm using it up until this point. I'm not sure if it's MSM or if there's other things that I'm doing on top of MSM to also make my hair grow, like scalp massages, deep conditioning, rice water, aloe vera, clay washes, henna. Like, there's a lot of other stuff that I do that is all natural. So it could be a combination of all of it. I don't know what exactly it is, but baby, when I tell you hair is flourishing, flourishing. So this is one thing that I incorporated, and I like it. I'm not sure, like I said, I'm not really sure if it's working or if it's other stuff, but I know for a fact MSM has definitely helped me as far as like, just my hair lift and my hair growth journey. I really haven't seen anything bad with it, so I'm just going to continue using it until otherwise. What MSM is basically like an anti-inflammatory supplement that you can take. It's actually not really targeted towards hair growth. People use it for different reasons. However, hair growth is a side effect of using it. You can use it for if you have joint pain, if you have headaches, skin issues, as far as like acne, healthy tissues, and a healthy immune system. So that's what MSM is used for. The next thing is what brand you choose with MSM kind of varies. I literally went off Amazon and I got this brand, MSM powder. It was the cheapest. That's honestly the main reason why I used it. And it's from the Doctor's Best. So that's the brand that I chose. I just got it because it was the cheapest. I'm not even gonna lie to you. There was nothing real spectacular about this. It is vegan, and I thought it was the most all natural one that I could find. So that's the one I got. And that's the reason why I'm rocking with it. It's because of that. So how you use MSM. Now, I don't use it the way that everybody else uses it. A lot of people just ingest this into their body, and when they do that, I've seen a lot of horror stories of people who had headaches. One girl said she couldn't fall asleep. One girl said she was breaking out really badly. People said that they were growing hair everywhere. I saw that too, because when you ingest it, like, you're taking it in every parts of your body, like it's going everywhere. I saw not with that at all. So I was like, what is a way that I can take it and it really only affects my hair? I'm not trying to have furry things everywhere. You know what I'm saying? I ain't trying to have everything just all furry. I just want my hair to grow. That's it. All the other side effects, everything else, I'm good. My skin is good. My joints, they move. I'm good. I don't really need anything else but for my hair to grow. So I had to figure out a way to where I could incorporate it and only tackle my hair versus everything else that it does benefit. But I just don't need those benefits right now. So when you open it up, right, it comes in a small scoop. Now this scoop, y'all, is small. You know how we love when we like to try stuff, we like a big old spoon. This spoon is very small. Literally, this is one spoonful, this small spoonful. So when I first started off, I would literally do half a spoonful of it just to try it out. I highly advise you to do half a spoonful before you just go ham on this stuff and your body reacts or your hair reacts. You don't want any of that. So start off very small, half a spoonful of it. So how I use it is I mix it into my scalp treatment. Now, if you've been watching some of my hair videos, you already know this is my scalp treatment. I've been rocking with it since I've been natural. And what it is tea tree oil, peppermint oil, and it's MSM. So MSM is also in this. So before I actually went and bought MSM, all I would do was just use peppermint oil and tea tree oil, and I was working good. Like, I didn't have any problem with that. But now that I kind of came across MSM, I was like, what is something that I actually apply directly to my scalp? What is something that I use on a regular basis? And what is something that I've kind of already been doing? I didn't really want to incorporate MSM and have to come up with something new in my hair care journey. Like, I just kind of wanted to stick to my same thing. I'm kind of basic when it comes to my hair. You know, I like to do A, B, C, and that's it. I don't like to switch it up too much. So that's why I just came up with it. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna throw some MSM up in here, and we're gonna all listen, and we're gonna mix it all together, and we're gonna see how it reacts. And that's what I've been doing ever since then. It's been working amazing. So on the back of it, it says to mix 3 spoonfuls for 8 ounces. So this is 8 ounces, and then it says to mix 3 scoops of this into this. Now, like I said, when I first started off, I only did half a scoop. I literally worked myself up to 3 scoops, and now your girl, I'm like, let me get a little 4th scoop up in there. Now I do 4 scoops in here, but I worked myself up to that point. I just didn't dive head first into putting this stuff in my hair because I didn't know how my hair would react. So if you don't want to do it that way, another way that you can use MSM, you can use it kind of like how everybody else usually uses it. You can just mix it with orange juice. So you have to, if you do use this, and you're going to use it like in your body, make sure that you're mixing it with something kind of acidic. So lemonade, you can use something, but it has to be acidic. So a lot of people purchase this, and they also purchase the orange juice or the vitamin C supplement with it because that kind of evens it out, and that's a good combination when you're using MSM. That way, I have not tried. I don't like taking, I don't know, y'all. I'm really iffy about supplements. I'm really iffy about that type of stuff. Like, I'll put it on my hair, but as far as me taking it in my body, I'm just very mindful of what I put in my body. So I didn't want to use it that way. And I don't want hair everywhere. I don't want the side effects that come with it. So that's the reason why I take it the way that I take it. But don't feel like you have to do it my way. Do your research on it and figure out which way works best for you. If you want the other benefits with MSM, you want longer nails, you want clear skin, you want healthy joints, you want your immune system to be boosted, consider it taking it with the orange juice, and you may reap all of those benefits, and it may be really beneficial for you. So just do your own research on it and figure out which way works best for you. Another thing that you should think about is there's other ways of getting MSM. So the powder form is the most easiest form. Of course, it's just quick and easy. But if you are looking for completely all natural, you don't want to take any supplements, you don't want to take any powders, you can also get MSM through other forms of all natural ways, such as food and beverages. So some foods and beverages that include a lot of MSM: tomatoes, leafy greens such as turnips, spinach, apples, raspberries, whole grains, raw milk, tea, and then it also has been shown to be included in some type of coffee. So like I said, I'm giving you the research on it. I'm giving you the behind the history kind of blueprint of MSM, but always do your own research because, like I said, you can either also do like the liquid form where you can use it with the juice. You can use it just directly apply it to your hair, or you can just get it all natural and just eat the right vegetables, eat the right fruits, and the beverages that include MSM. There's 3 ways of you taking MSM. Whichever way you choose, just know, do your own research. Figure out which way works best for you. Figure out which way you can incorporate it to get all the benefits that you are looking for. I just wanted to kind of come on here and just show you how to use MSM and how I've been using it. Like I said, I haven't come across any problems. I haven't had any issues with MSM, but I just know for myself, hair has been flourishing. If you need encouragement, or you know somebody else who may need encouragement, please write into my foundation, www.letitolife.net. As always, I love you, but most importantly though, God is in love with you. I will see y'all on the next video. Bye. I dream about it, I go get it, that's how I do it. Not in the stars, I'm not lucky, I just